part of the mess needs to be cleaned down here, but here's an oldie but a goodie. A Grant's Bradford box fan. Just got this for free from my friend that's moving. I do have another one just like this. I think this one might be slightly older. I mean, it's okay for what it is. It's a little beat up, but definitely better than anything new. It works perfectly. A little clip down there in the nose, a little hole where the clip comes into the other side. It's got that on it, but as you can see, it works great. The other one is exactly the same, just in perfect condition. It's a Ricky. These fans are made by Dominion. Big old tank. Nice spin down. I did try to clean it with some Clorox wipes, but it needs a little more than that, but it is better than it was. It was on a shelf in a garage, so it was a little dirty. But there you have it. Some other fans down here. Kmart, Lakewood 70s. Good old 1968, I believe, Sanyo. A little wind mirror clip fan, Robeson. I think I pointed these out before. Here's 89 Robeson. And here's the other Bradford. And we got a big old Emerson, a Super Electric, a 1990 Homes Air, a Vornado that needs a plug, a really nice GE, a Pencrest, Lakewood, my Lakewood space heater, a Westinghouse, which I believe is from the 50s, and then this little guy, a Zero. And this big boy, it's a Rowan, probably made by, likely by Dominion. It kind of seems like one. And then over here, I have a nice little Galaxy. And then we've got more. Here it's a little dark, but we got a Kenmore, another Bradford, a Cool Operator Junior, and the Bradford is a, oh, there goes the Amana, is a, just a Bradford, Grant's Bradford, WT Grant's for those who don't know. Oh, cool, we can bounce into the Amana here. I'm going to start this over because it's too dark.